Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your cabin air filter on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima 2009-2014. Now, on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima, how they have it is kind of weird. It's not like normal cars where it's hidden behind the glove box and stuff like that. And also, the Yaris is back on place of transmission mount and the rear mount. Backup camera. I found out it didn't stop working and stuff because it's old. Somehow the yellow wire that feeds the monitor on the Android radio somehow disconnected in the trunk. I'm not sure how, but I reconnected it and the camera's working again. So quick fix. But stay tuned on that video. All right, so let's open this. It's unrelated to this video, but yeah. All right, so I got the flashlight here. So your glove box is right there, right behind the glove box on the side, just tucked in the back in the corner. All right, so my tripod's a little bit too tall to fit here. So I'm gonna try keeping it steady in my other hand while I try to work around, and also try not to block the light. That way you can see everything that's going on. So first things first, you wanna push up on this little tab, and then it's gonna pop out and then drop down. Now, I'm not sure when's the last time this ever been changed, or if it's ever been changed. On my 2011 Nissan Maxima, I purchased it from auction 2 years ago. If this filter was ever changed before, I do not know, but we're about to find out. There should be a tab somewhere on the filter. Oh, I felt a tab right there. So there is a tab. So I'm gonna pull on that. Plus, it's not enough room in here for me to freaking reach. I got big arms, big hands. Not a good combination. All right, so I'm pulling it. I'm trying to get a good grip on it. All right, there's a hole. I'll put my finger, so let me see. Put my finger in there and pull up. Great. That didn't work. All right, so let me see if I can reach up in here. It's probably because I tugged it too hard, or it's just old. And this ain't good in no 90-something degree weather. I'm already freaking sweating. You can see it glistening on my arms already. All right, I got part of it. See, I can take this out in one piece. They got some debris falling out. Oh, that's a ton of debris. It's probably never been changed. Oh, shit. Oh. Yeah, this probably never been changed. They got all that debris that just fell onto my floor. Yeah, this is probably the first time it's ever been changed. So I'm gonna set this to the side. I'm gonna go get my extension cord, run a vacuum, a couple extensions out here, and I'm gonna vacuum all this up, wash my hand, and try to clean all the debris out of there. Because if you don't, that's what you're pretty much inhaling inside the cabin of your car. So let me go do that. I'll be right back. All right, so now that I got that all cleaned up, I'm gonna open this. I ordered this from AutoZone. So it comes with this cord return. I'm not really sure how you return a filter, but it could be for something else. So I got Pronto Smart Choice Auto Filter, cabin filter. I swear I ordered STP on the website. I could be wrong. All right, so it says located behind the glove box, remove glove box, yada, yada, yada. So if you want to do that route, you can, but I'm not. So what you're gonna do is grab the middle. I'm trying to do this one hand. Sorry, guys. So it's gonna look like that. And you wanna put it in this way and then let go and push it in. And then that tab is what's pointing outwards. If that's the way I could describe it. All right, so I probably gotta switch how I'm holding it because I am holding the camera with my other hand to try to catch everything. So put it up as so, get it lined up. And push it in there. All right. Make sure you got the top portion in. If you can see, I'm trying to make sure I can get the top in there. Once I got that lip in, pretty much go in from there. All right. So there you go. Push it in, and then lift up on that lip. Push that lip in there, and then do the same thing for the top. If you got smaller hands, you could probably do this a whole lot better than how I'm doing it. Plus, most likely you ain't holding the camera. I'm pretty much looking through the screen to see if I got it in there properly. All right, the top keep coming up. Oh, my finger got stuck in there. All right, voila. So now to put this in, there's a lip on the top portion. So just put it up against the hole and slide it up. And then push in and make sure you get this tab locked into place. So, oh, I put way too much pressure. All right, let's try this again. All right, so I'm holding it and then I'm trying to lock this bottom one back into place. All right, there you go. Now it's locked into place. And that's how you replace your cabin air filter on the 2009-2014 Nissan Maxima. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.